is not everything, but everything needs money. And invest money in the inflation is the only thing that grows. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Safa's World. Money is good for nothing unless you know the value of it by experiences. Well folks, this is not my saying, this is the saying by the P.T. Barnum. Folks, money and inflation plays an important role in the economy, and you know the relationship, so you get rich day by day. So first we will discuss money. What is money? Money is a commodity accepted by journal, constant as a medium of economic exchange. It is the medium in which prices and values are expressed as currency. It circulates anonymously from person to person and country to countries and facilitating trade, and it is the principal measures of wealth. If I can say in the simple words, money is anything that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services. Folks, evidence suggests that money plays an important role in a generating business cycle, the upward and downward movement of aggregate output produced in the economy. So I will tell you what is inflation. Inflation is when 5 years ago the movie you might have paid $9, and in this $9 you probably have had dinner, seen the movie and bought yourself a big bucket of popcorn. But now it seems real difficult because the prices of most items are quite a bit higher now than they were then. The price level has increases more than sixfold. Inflation, a continual increase in the price level, so we can say that continuing increase in the money supply might be an important factor in causing the continuing increase in the level of price. That is called inflation. Folks, there are two drivers of inflation. Inflation, or a sustained rise in consumer prices, is created in two main ways. The first is by the way of an increase in demand for products and services. For example, at the beginning of the pandemic, demand for webcam soared as the lots of employees were required to work remotely. As a result, the prices of webcam increases significantly, or take leisure level, which have increased significantly as COVID-19 inflictions have come down. People are flying more, which has led to higher ticket prices. When these type of demand-driven prices increases occurs across a large number of products and services, the result is rising inflation. The second thing is inflation can also result from higher production cost. For instance, gas prices are on the rise because it has become a lot more expensive to produce it. The war in Ukraine sent oil prices soaring at the beginning of 2022. They have come down, but a recent supply cut by OPEC plus oil-producing nations caused another spike. As oil prices increases, the higher costs are passed on the refiners, which lead to higher prices at the pump. The increase in the price of eggs is another example of the type of inflation. For example, birth control caused the death of about 10% of egg-laying hens beginning in January 2022. In addition, farmers faced higher fuel and fertilizer costs as well. These factors have caused the average price of eggs to soar to an all-time high. Now I will tell you how you invest in inflation to get rich. In my opinion, investment in real estate is traditionally a safe haven but should be approached cautiously in 2022 and 2023 given the unsettled state of the industry. Real estate is a popular choice because it becomes more useful and popular store of value aimed inflation. While generating increased rental income, you can land your property and make money with the property. And if you use little brain with the rental money, you book some other house or apartment to make more money. The question asks that can we make money with stock during inflation? The answer is yes, but in the long run. In long run, it is considered as a good option, but in the short run, investing in stock during the period of high inflation come with the risk of volatility. Second most asked question is, can we make money with gold during inflation? Most people think gold is a good option for investment, but did you know the price of a gold goes down as soon as you leave the showroom because of making charges? It is the good for long-term investment, but in short term, like for a year or two, it is not a good option. So folks, hope you understand the relationship between the money and inflation and how you increase your money in the inflation. Thanks for watching Safa's World. Keep liking and sharing.